Hey brothers and sisters, my name is Tijaka. It is just like 6:50 right now in the morning. I just had a shower. I'm going to Niagara Falls. Yeah. I decided like yesterday I'm going. Oh, there's like no real plan. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I need a break. And I decided to take you guys along with me. Just fixing Tahu here. Yes, cutie, yes. You gonna miss me? You know something's up. Need a boy. Holy shit. I'm in Niagara Falls. That was a long ride. My god. Sit somewhere. Just figure out where the hell I am. It's a 31-minute walk. That's alright. Because most of the stuff is like really close to the hotel I'm going to, so we'll get a move on. Wow. I haven't even realized how far from home I am on the bus. Like, I didn't even, I don't know. Usually I'd expect to be a bit anxious about these kinds of things, like going so far away from home, but I think this is just what I needed if I feel this good about this. I'm just excited because I don't have to worry about the motel now. Just get there, check in, and then I'll go check out the first spot, which is actually very close to the motel that I'm staying at. Now we're getting into the thick of it, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, that's very close up. I apologize. Oh god, I'm zooming it in more. This is a disaster. So we'll hit up one of the first places on our adventure. Bird Kingdom. My god. We're going there. Turn left at the light. Where's the light? Oh, over here. I see it. Awesome. Let's go. Woohoo! Actually. Oh my god. This is Amazing. Something about his head. Hi. Which one is my stalker? Let's see him. Oh wait, there he is. Somebody keep Womble. Yo! This fucking guy. I hope the camera picked up him just swoop in. This fucking guy right here. Huh. Silver cheek horn. Holy crap. Oh, this is amazing. What is going on here? Come on, guys. Break it up. This one guy's worked all day. He just wants to relax and watch Peloton, and you guys are just messing it up for him. it be healthy. I don't give a damn. That was incredible. That was so awesome. Like, they could fly on you if they really wanted to. And that one friggin' silver-cheeked hornbill, that dude was eyeing me down for like 90% of the time I was in there. I'll never forget that. And I almost got pooped on, or I almost got pooped on. Thank God I didn't. I was like, oh, I guess I'm leaving. And it just like right next to me, and I was like, right, that's a thing. I was like in awe for most of that. That was so cool. Anyways, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And then I'm hungry. So I'll probably end up going to the butterfly area and stuff like that. And there's a few other places I want to check out. Obviously, since we're here, I want to check out the falls. That will happen eventually. But for now, I'm just gonna take a little while, and I'll probably find a couple places like on the way to each place that I want to go to that I'll want to check out. Yeah, so far this is great. I'm so stoked. Straight goods.